Hey, what's up guys? So my name is Abhishek and in today's video we'll see my brand new library called Abhishek Zambre slash MUI. So what this library is does, it's a UI library built on top of MUI. So this is MUI. You might have heard or used it somewhere. It's a React library. So it's a React Material UI library. So I have built my library on top of this. So you can use it. So I'll show you that library. So this is the home page for that library. This is the GitHub. So go into GitHub and give it a star. So this is you can do give it a star after using it. So like I'll go to the website. Okay, open a new tab. So this is MUI and this is my library. So in this library, basically you will get what extra you will get is you will get these colors. So there are lots of colors available. So you can see it right here. So there is shade as well, primary shade, secondary shade. So in primary, secondary shade, you can see it like it is changing the background accordingly. So this looks nice. So all the elements will get changed with this. The colors of every element will get changed. There is a dark mode as well. So you can switch to dark mode. Dark mode also looks nice. There is another way of changing colors. So like you can see primary and secondary randomly change to different colors. Totally different colors, not the light and dark shades. So this is how it looks. Let's change it to green or okay, this one looks nice. So I'll quickly show you how to use this theme. So basically you have to go into the npm.js page. So I will give the link in the description. And while you are creating a new Vite application, let's go to Vite create React app. So we'll create a new Vite application. I'll quickly show you the demo. Where it is, okay, here. React name will be default. React plus React TypeScript plus React compiler. ESLint install and no, I guess. We'll go into that project first. Meet project. Do yarn add our library. So I'll run the project. Yarn install first. So this is the default application. So now we'll change it to look like uh, better. So we'll open this in VS Code. We have VS Code open and let's see, VS Code is there and browser also there. Okay, okay, that's all we need. So first of all, we'll remove the extra things in there and keep it simple like hello world. You can see the hello world now. So this is hello world program. So now we'll try to add our library. So this is the library. So this is what you will get. So let's see how to integrate it. So first we will need to add this library. So I'll copy this. I'll cut the project. Yeah, and add. For now, we have added this, but the main thing we need to add is material UI because my library is based on material UI. So we'll need to add this as well, material UI. So I have added these packages. After adding it, it is taking time. Let it install all the libraries. Actually, we need to install these unmet peer dependencies as well, like roll down, MUI, material, material icons, React, emotion, styled, Abhishek Zamre, animate, like that. So those are the library we have to install after this. So yeah, we have installed it. We have only three unmet peer dependencies right now. So first we'll install this material UI icons. We have not installed the icons, right? We have only installed the MUI main library. So now we'll install the icons. Then the animate library from me. So which example slash animate. And third one is roll down. It's a vite library. So I'll add those. So we have incorrect peer dependency of that animate and we have a new unmet peer dependency called motion. So we'll install that as well. So first you need to install lot of libraries because my library is dependent on three other libraries. So first one was material UI, then material icons, then this motion like that. So let's try it now. Yarn dev. So it is loading hello world as expected. So let's now try to add that things from my library. So I have given everything in the library description, readme page. So in the GitHub also you will find readme page. In here npm also you will find npm page, and don't forget to give it a star. So like first thing you will need to do is like if you go into this npm.js website, so after that you will need to import this package, this provider. So every package in React has provider. So my library also has provider. So let's provide the context, the MUI theme context. So let's do a quick import from MUI. It got imported. Let's see if there is any error or not. Yeah, so there is no error. It recompiled with this optimized library. So now let's go to the second step. So second step is adding this has lots of apply the theme. So we have to directly apply the theme. This is the app file. So we can directly replace it with our Hello World application. So let's see what it does. So this is our app file. Currently we have nothing in our app file. So I have replaced the entire file. Yeah, so we got these three buttons. But what about that theme that we talked about? So in the third step, I have given that how to use that component. So this is that component that you need to integrate into your system. So we'll copy this component and add it like anywhere you can add. At the top you can add, at the bottom, anywhere you need to add, you can add. So in here I'm adding it. Let's do a quick import. So it got imported. Yeah, so there we go. So you can see it here. So it has all the colors. So this component you can use it anywhere. So mainly you will be using it in the header. Light and dark mode is also working fine. So this is how you will use my MUI theme. So yeah, I guess that's all for this video, guys. So give it a star for like in a GitHub. So in here there is a star option. So give it a star for this library if you like, and give it a try. Yeah, that's all. Thank you guys. Thanks so much for watching.